good morning. Welcome to another vlog. It's a girl's birthday today. Today is April 17th. The time is 6:44 in the morning and I'm all ready. I'm all dolled up. Whatever I have, this is the only dress I have, which is a new one, so I'm wearing this. Let me show you the outfit. This is how my dress looks. And I have palazzo bottoms. None of this is iron, guys. I have so many wrinkles on my dress, but that's okay. We're not going out anyways. I'm just celebrating at home. I'm also planning to go to my mom's place, which is quite nearby. So I'm in my in-laws place right now. We're gonna go down and yeah, meet them. They're gonna greet me and let's see what I'm gonna do the whole day. Let's go.
But I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. Where's the life I? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? I don't know. I don't wanna grow. Just live myself. I don't wanna grow. The things I love.
So I've come to my mom's place. It's been 20 to 30 minutes I'm here. I have been doing nothing. I'm just sitting on my couch and watching some TV because it is super boring. And my dad finally managed to get a cake for me, so I'm gonna cut the cake. It's not mandatory, but I am really grateful, like celebrating with my family. I'm really grateful. My dad managed to get me a cake, so I'm super happy and grateful for that. So yeah, I've been addicted to this game since the lockdown. This is amazing. It's caroms. I'm playing with my hub right now. He's in his place and I am in my mom's place and we're playing it together. It's so good, guys, so you should definitely play this one at least once. I gifted this to my grandmom and she gave it to me today to wear it. How beautiful is this? Na birthday ki ammamma ready avutundi. Ready avutunna ammamma. అమ్మమ్మ ఎవరి బర్త్డేనే నాదా నీదా బర్త్డే I gave this to my mom long back because I wasn't using this and today I don't have any makeup with me, so my mom gave me this to use it. Wow, thank you.
బంగారం అలిగిందమ్మ బంగారం తిన్నారా కేక్ కేక్ బాగుందా?
So now it's 10:58 and I have no work to do, absolutely no work, and I'm super free. So I thought, why not prepare something and use this time properly? So I'm actually looking for Momo's recipe and I found it in Kavita's kitchen, so I'm gonna follow her recipe. And I actually got the things that I need. We need chicken, black pepper powder, soya sauce and all that. I've got everything that we need for Momo, so I got all the ingredients. So yeah, I'm planning to do it right now, so let's go and make it. आज का कमाई ये and और भी आने वाला है. I just came home from outside and let me tell you, The temperature right now is 39 degrees outside. I've gone out to distribute some food to police and also those who are working for our safety, and also the poor people who are outside who are not getting food. So we went out to distribute the food, and I actually didn't want to, you know, record anything of that sort, so that's the reason I didn't record anything. Of course, it's such a good content, but I didn't really want to, you know, put their faces, or I don't want to film all that stuff on my channel, so I didn't do that. The whole conclusion of why I'm telling all this is because it's 39 degrees. I've been there for 30 minutes distributing stuff, and I felt it was super hot, and I couldn't stay any more minute outside. I mean, it's super hot. And imagine who are working for us: the police department, the municipality people, and doctors, nurses, and all the medical staff who are working for us in this heat. Imagine how these people are tackling this situation. They have their families, and you know, I don't really have any words to explain, you know, the brave act they're all doing. So yeah, this is just to, you know, give them a hats off that you're doing a great job, and thank you so much. I'm very, very thankful. I am home and I'm safe because of you guys, so thank you so much. So I request everybody who's watching the video to please stay home, and if you can distribute something like food or anything to people who are working for us, please do that. They'll be happy. I mean, yeah, spread positiveness, guys. From the day the lockdown began, I've been watching Flying Beast videos like crazily. I've been binge watching all the videos they have uploaded till date. 3 of them in the family. They're spreading so much of positivity. I don't know, I'm getting so much of positive vibes, and I've been binge watching them so much. Do let me know if you have any of your favorite YouTubers. If you think that I should binge watch, then do let me know in the comments. I generally do watch a lot of videos, and अभी मेरे को एक दिखा है, उसमें लिखा है no flour, no eggs, no sugar, no मैदा और oil, और no milk, no cooking at all, और आपको बन जाएगा birthday cake. Let's make momo. So let's make some delicious chicken momos.
Look behind me.
My mommy's momo. Same shape hai. At least mine were better. Look at them. Look at my mom's. She made a potli. This is my mom's momo.
Where's my shy head? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know.
So if you don't have a steamer, that's completely fine. I'm using a cooker with water. Keep it like that, and I'm gonna cover it with the lid like so, and we're gonna cook this for 20 to 30 minutes. Basically, yeah, in medium flame. Basically the momo should turn transparent, then it's completely done. I think we didn't oil it good enough. You know, this got stuck, the momo got stuck. This is the halat. We have these all to go, so probably we're gonna oil it really good now. Our tuta puta momos are now ready. I'm gonna taste it now. It is good.
I don't wanna grow, just live myself. I don't wanna grow, the things I left, look behind me. Just live
Look at the Joker. And look at how many jokers I have. And the others are very bad.